Today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section search Sabres LuxAlgo. Now the indicator is applied. Go to the settings and in the styles make MA thick. This trading strategy is simple and works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. When the indicator gives you the blue signal, along with that the price crosses above the black line, buy the call and hold it until the price crosses below the black line. When this indicator gives you the red signal, along with that the price crosses below the black line, sell the call and hold it until the price crosses above the black line. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.